Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and I'm standing in my socks today because I want to talk to you about recovering from an injury. Yeah, they don't have anything to do with each other. But when we get injured, oftentimes the pain goes away and we think we are good to go and we're better. But just because your pain goes away doesn't mean your stabilizers are doing their job anymore, and it doesn't mean that your movers aren't compensating for your stabilizers. All that to say is, after you recover from an injury, from the pain of an injury, you may still have movement compensations. And the way you get rid of those movement compensations is to engage in your original design. And one of those movements that you can use to turn your stabilizers back on and to set your movers free to do their job, to remove those compensations, is rolling. Rolling, not only does it feel amazing, but it connects both hemispheres of your brain, but it also turns your stabilizers back on. It helps them remember how to do their job so that your movers can be free to do their job, and it can erase the compensations that you would have gotten from an injury. So now I'm going to show you a really feel-good roll that I just think feels fantastic. So you're going to lie like this, pick your leg up, reach across your body, let it pull that arm over, and just keep going on with that arm and follow that arm back around and let it pull that leg back over and then go the other way. And then you just come back with the arm and let it pull that leg back over and go ahead and reach with the leg again. Let it pull your arm, follow your arm back all the way over. Oh man, this feels amazing. And I know it's silly, but simply by getting on the floor and rolling around, we can turn our stabilizers back on, especially if it's a back injury. Back injuries, again, just because the pain goes away doesn't mean everything in your back is reflexively firing in the sequence that it's supposed to fire in. Sometimes you really need to engage in your design, roll around, crawl, rock, to turn those stabilizers back on to remove those compensations. One more thing before you go, just because you hurt also doesn't mean that there's an injury to your tissues. Sometimes pain is just there to get your attention. Even if it's chronic pain, it doesn't necessarily mean that there's tissue damage. So, pain doesn't mean damage, and not having pain doesn't mean that your compensations have been removed and that you're back to pre-injury status. Anyway, don't forget to roll, don't forget to rock, don't forget to crawl. Those are resets. Breathe the way you were designed to breathe. All of these things help your brain feel safe, and they turn your stabilizers back on, and they set your movers free to move. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.